Hey everyone, welcome to our channel. In today's video, we will guide you through
How to quickly activate dark mode on iPhone. So let's get started. So this is a very simple and straightforward process. Firstly, in iPhone X or later, swipe down from the top right corner of your screen to access Control Center. But on iPhone 18 or earlier, swipe up from the bottom. So I'm using iPhone 15, so I'm going to swipe it down from the top left corner of my screen. Now, once in the control center, simply long press on the side area where there is no any options available. Then you can simply tap on the add option available in the bottom. Once you tap on the add, you'll be navigated to the section where you can add many options in your control center. From there, look for the dark mode and tap on it. Scroll down, and once you find the dark mode, simply tap on that option and it will be added to your control center. So now once added, it will be very easy for you to switch from dark mode to light mode. That is it. If you found this video helpful, please like, share and subscribe our channel, and thank you so much for watching.